One of the most dangerous things in a used RV isn't even visible. It may look just fine. Happens to be the tires themselves, old tires. Hey, welcome to another one of Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the National RV Training Academy. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Used RVs, typically the tires age out before they wear out, so we don't just simply look at the tread. Most RVs don't travel as many miles as a car does throughout the same year. So we need to look at the DOT code. The DOT code tells us the date that the tires were born. Most tires, depending on the manufacturer, age out after 5 to 6 years. So you need to look at the DOT code, and you're going to find an oblong circle with 4 digits in it. The first 2 digits tell us the week of the year. The last 2 digits tell us the year. Great thing to do for those of you with a used RV is to make sure that your tires are not aged out. Make sure that they are within the 5 to 6 years. If not, strongly consider go ahead and replacing your tires. Find the DOT code, the first 2 numbers, the week of the year, the last 2 numbers, the year it was actually made. Now, to find the DOT code, it's located typically on the inside sidewall. Say DOT, have an oblong circle, 4 numbers. Get up there and look. It's all about safety. There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're at the end of the video, roll the bloopers. Why are you there? I'm letting the frame hide it. I don't have a close. Don't have a transition. All right, let's try this. Hold on. Now, the DOT code tells us the date that these batteries... Batteries. All right.